Well, now, that smells a whole lot better than bean water.
I know, Whiskers. I smell it too.
The angry bird.
I hope those crazy kids get that old thing running again.
So, a cherry pie, you say? It's good? Okay, so the little spinny thing connects to the, what now? There we go, good as new. Ugh, these are just terrible. What am I gonna do with this? Whew. That took a lot of shiny rocks, but man, I should be able to stick the landing on my jumps now. Ugh, these old shocks are completely shot. Look at this, Whiskers. Pathetic. I can't wait to try these out, Whiskers. This is gonna be so smooth. Yeah, these old things just aren't gonna do. We need something that can handle the trails. We don't have to worry about those grass clippings or pine needles now, Whiskers. We need a better looking dino juice holder than this. Can't have the Angry Bird sounding like a sick squirrel. Time for a new song pipe. Well, there she is, guys. The Angry Bird is complete. What do you think? Whoa, Whiskers, look at that. The little people made a new, even angrier looking bird. Okay, this is a really big nest.
So many angry birds.
For 1,400 shiny rocks a month for 96 months, I can take this bad boy home.